Netizens, may napansin sa isang month-old baby ni Chris Bernal. Ipinagdiwang ng aktres na si Chris Bernal ang first month ni baby Hailey Lucas sa kanyang Instagram account nitong Biyernes, 15 ng Setyembre. And in a blink, may hashtag Little Sunshine, at Hailey Luca, is 1 month old celebrating a month of pure newborn bliss while soaking in every second of it, filling our lives and hearts so much love and purpose, pahayag ni Chris sa caption ng kanyang post. Ikinwento rin ng aktres ang kanyang karanasan bilang ina sa mga unang linggo ng kapanganakan ni baby Hailey. There is nothing like the first weeks at home a newborn. Sleep deprivation is real, it's the craziest mix of excitement and exhaustion as we get to know each other. It's quite challenging as me and that Hailey Luca are both doing things we've never done before. Inhaling the happy, exhaling the hard, I wouldn't change it for the world. Pero tila may napansin ng netizens sa ibinahaging video ni Chris. Narito ang kanilang mga komento. Ka-look like ng daddy niya. Kamukha ng daddy. Mini-me daddy. Hahaha. Mahal na mahal ka ng asawa mo oh. Xerox copy niya, heart at Chris Bernal. Little Troy Perry. Ikinasal si Chris noong Setyembre taong 2021 sa kanyang longtime boyfriend na si Troy Perry na isang businessman. Matatanda ang kumanta pa roon ng multi-awarded OPM singer na si Jonalyn Veray nang naka-face mask,